So my first impressions is the sound is great again. And I do note a lot of difference with, like, for example, the Flip 5. For example, you can definitely hear it has a tweeter. So it sounds much clearer. But also the bass, like, it does go a little bit deeper. This also, of course, has to do, like, with the Charge 5. That because the bass driver isn't trying to, make highs anymore. It can focus more on the deeper sounds and the midtones. And you definitely hear it with this new Flip 6. In the next video I will definitely make a comparison with the Charge 5. Because this one is a lot smaller. But I do I have to say it, I'm very happy that the logo on this Flip 6 is a lot smaller than on the renders. Like with the renders it was like this. And I was like, that looks horrible. But on this model I kinda like it actually. And even like the sound profile, it's not bass heavy or something like that. It's very balanced actually. Great.